what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the wood shop. So it's a little bit of a mess here behind us, but we are working to do some more innovative type of builds as we want to keep moving forward here, keep making things crazy. So I want to show you guys our current setup of what we're trying to accomplish. So let's get into it. So we have some steel right here. That's not for right now, but it is for later. It's going to be exciting. We have done some practice cuts here with our router for this crazy jig we're doing. So
man, it's going to be totally insane. So basically the router is going to be on an angle with a compass. So this is the compass plywood board right here that swings on a pivot, and this piece is my angle piece, which is going to get bolted to the compass, and then the router is going to be bolted to this. I'm running a bullnose router bit on a 1/4 inch shank. It's perfect for this cut. It's kind of funny because, well, the bullnose is going to be on an angle while cutting, so it's going to give a lot more depth on one side than the other. That's pretty much what we're doing. We got to make this really crazy lid for this box that we're going to be making. I don't know where it's going to go. I don't know how it's going to work, but we're just start cutting, see how it happens. Okay, so the first pass with the router was a success. It's pretty cool looking with that bullnose bit. So what I'm going to be doing now is basically just drilling out a bunch of holes on this compass piece and moving the router towards me closer and closer so I keep getting radiuses on this piece of walnut for this lid, for this box. So let's start cutting. Okay, so this piece right here is all cut out, ready to go, and well, it's a lid for a box that we're going to be making. And this piece of walnut right here is going to be cut up to make the box. We have to cut a bunch of 45s to basically make a frame around this because the lid is not going to be on top. It's actually going to be inside the box, and we're going to be using some barrel type hinges to actually open it, so it's all concealed. It's pretty sweet. So we're going to go ahead on the miter saw, start cutting some miters. So here we go.
So we got all of our pieces cut to size here. Those 45s turned out great. We just kind of assembled the box as it kind of sits right now to just get some ideas and brainstorm because this project is totally crazy.
It's crazy. It's going to get even crazier. These little things right here, these little cylinders are barrel hinges. I've never installed them before. See how it goes. The lid still has to be cut to size. I'm going to put these off to the side for a second because the box is going to be really weird because we're going to be doing some access panels on just one panel so that we can basically take out this piece of walnut. Behind this piece of walnut will be another box that you can only access if you use the secret compartment on the top with the lid, because well, the lid's going to have a mechanism that's going to lock that you don't know how to open the box at all. So that's where we're at. And all the other panels are going to have an access panel that is fake that we have to cut out and make it look like it does open, but it doesn't. So that's where we're at. I have to start cutting with the router, start making a jig, see how it goes. So let's just get into it.
The jig worked out really nice to create this access panel right here. So what we're going to be doing is taking the other pieces, and we got to do the same thing, but we're not actually going to cut it out completely. We're just going to create the lines for it. But that's for the next video because it's into the morning hours now. So yeah, we got to end this video off. I got to edit this video. Appreciate you guys watching along with us here in the wood shop. You should hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't done so already. Just like that, this video is over.